In the pursuit of wealth generation, the concept of letting go may seem counterintuitive. After all, conventional wisdom often emphasizes accumulation, holding onto assets, and maximizing returns. However, there's a transformative power in letting go that can significantly impact one's financial journey and contribute to long-term prosperity. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Releasing emotional attachments to investments. Releasing emotional attachments to investments is a pivotal step in achieving financial success. Emotional biases, such as fear of loss or attachment to past successes, can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decision-making, ultimately undermining investment performance. By letting go of these emotional attachments, investors can adopt a more rational and disciplined approach to managing their portfolios. This involves detaching from short-term market fluctuations and focusing on long-term investment goals and fundamentals. Moreover, releasing emotional attachments allows investors to embrace uncertainty and volatility as natural aspects of financial markets, rather than sources of anxiety or distress. It enables individuals to make decisions based on objective analysis, rather than being swayed by emotions or market sentiment. Additionally, letting go of emotional attachments fosters resilience and adaptability, empowering investors to navigate market downturns and capitalize on opportunities for growth. Ultimately, by releasing emotional baggage and cultivating a mindset of detachment, investors can enhance their ability to make informed decisions, manage risk effectively, and achieve their financial objectives with confidence and clarity. Embracing risk and innovation. Embracing risk and innovation is fundamental to driving wealth generation. While conventional wisdom often encourages caution and stability, embracing calculated risks and exploring innovative opportunities can unlock new pathways to financial success. By stepping outside of comfort zones and venturing into uncharted territory, individuals can capitalize on emerging trends and disruptive technologies that have the potential to generate substantial returns. Moreover, embracing risk fosters a culture of resilience and adaptability, empowering individuals to navigate uncertainties and seize opportunities with confidence. Innovation, on the other hand, encourages continuous learning and evolution, allowing individuals to stay ahead of market trends and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Together, risk and innovation form the bedrock of dynamic wealth generation strategies, enabling individuals to thrive in ever-changing economic landscapes and realize their full potential for financial prosperity. Diversification and adaptability. Diversification and adaptability are essential strategies for effective wealth generation. Diversifying investments across various asset classes, industries, and geographic regions helps mitigate risks associated with market volatility and economic downturns. By spreading investments across different sectors, individuals can reduce exposure to the performance of any single asset or market segment, thus safeguarding their portfolios against unforeseen events. Additionally, adaptability plays a crucial role in responding to changing market conditions and seizing new opportunities. Being able to pivot investment strategies or reallocate resources based on evolving trends and economic landscapes enables individuals to maximize returns and sustain long-term wealth generation efforts. In combination, diversification and adaptability serve as cornerstones for building resilient portfolios and achieving sustainable wealth accumulation over time. Opportunities for learning and growth. Opportunities for learning and growth are invaluable assets in the pursuit of wealth generation. Embracing the mindset of continuous improvement and seeking out opportunities to expand knowledge and skills can significantly enhance one's ability to navigate financial markets effectively. Engaging in ongoing education, whether through formal courses, seminars, or self-directed learning, enables individuals to stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and emerging opportunities. Moreover, learning from past successes and failures provides valuable insights that can inform future decision-making and improve investment outcomes. By actively pursuing opportunities for learning and personal growth, individuals can sharpen their financial acumen, adapt to changing market dynamics, and position themselves for long-term success in wealth generation endeavors. Focusing on value creation. Focusing on value creation is a fundamental principle for sustainable wealth generation. Instead of solely fixating on monetary gains, individuals should prioritize initiatives that contribute meaningfully to society. This can involve developing innovative products, fostering meaningful relationships with clients, or investing in ventures that have a positive impact on communities and the environment. By aligning financial objectives with broader principles of purpose and impact, individuals not only generate wealth but also contribute positively to the world around them. Moreover, a focus on value creation fosters long-term success as it encourages innovation, fosters customer loyalty, and strengthens brand reputation. It also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and adaptation, enabling individuals to stay ahead of market trends and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Ultimately, by focusing on value creation, individuals can build a legacy of positive change and leave a lasting impact on future generations, transcending mere financial gains to create a more sustainable and prosperous world. Cultivating a mindset of abundance. Cultivating a mindset of abundance is about shifting one's perspective from scarcity to sufficiency, believing in the endless opportunities and resources available. It involves recognizing and appreciating the abundance present in one's life, whether in relationships, talents, or opportunities for growth. By embracing abundance, individuals tap into their innate potential, fostering a sense of empowerment and optimism that propels them towards their goals. Moreover, an abundance mindset encourages proactive decision-making and risk-taking, as individuals are less hindered by fear of failure or scarcity mentality. This mindset fosters resilience in the face of challenges, enabling individuals to see setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Ultimately, cultivating an abundance mindset empowers individuals to create the life they desire, realizing their full potential and contributing positively to the world around them. Letting go of financial baggage. Letting go of financial baggage is a liberating step towards achieving financial freedom. It involves releasing past mistakes, debts, and negative beliefs that may hinder progress. By confronting and addressing financial challenges head-on, individuals can free themselves from the burdens of the past and embrace a fresh start. Letting go enables individuals to break free from cycles of financial struggle and open themselves up to new opportunities for growth and prosperity. It fosters a sense of empowerment and optimism, allowing individuals to move forward with confidence and purpose in their wealth-building journey. Moreover, releasing financial baggage encourages a mindset of abundance and possibility, where individuals focus on opportunities rather than limitations. Ultimately, letting go of financial baggage is about reclaiming control of one's financial future and creating a pathway towards greater stability and success. The role of patience and persistence. The role of patience and persistence in wealth generation cannot be overstated. Patience allows individuals to withstand the inevitable ups and downs of financial markets, maintaining a long-term perspective despite short-term fluctuations. It enables investors to avoid impulsive decisions and stay focused on their investment objectives, knowing that wealth accumulation is a gradual process that requires time and discipline. Similarly, persistence empowers individuals to persevere in the face of adversity, bouncing back from setbacks and continuing to pursue their financial goals with determination and resilience. In wealth generation, patience and persistence are essential virtues that enable individuals to weather market fluctuations and navigate periods of uncertainty with confidence. Moreover, patience and persistence are not only instrumental in wealth accumulation, but also in the preservation and stewardship of wealth over generations. By instilling these values in future generations, families can ensure the longevity and sustainability of their wealth legacy, passing down not only financial assets, but also the wisdom and character traits necessary for continued success. Building wealth through collaboration. Building wealth through collaboration is a strategic approach that leverages collective knowledge, resources, and networks to accelerate wealth generation efforts. By collaborating with mentors, advisors, or business partners, individuals can tap into diverse expertise and perspectives, gaining valuable insights and guidance to inform their financial decisions. Moreover, collaboration facilitates access to broader networks and opportunities, opening doors to new partnerships, investments, and ventures that may not be accessible otherwise. Through mutual support and shared goals, collaborative efforts enable individuals to pool resources, mitigate risks, and amplify their impact, ultimately accelerating wealth creation and fostering long-term success. Additionally, collaboration fosters a culture of innovation and continuous improvement, as individuals learn from each other's experiences and explore new approaches to wealth generation. Ultimately, building wealth through collaboration is about recognizing that success is not achieved in isolation, but through the collective efforts and contributions of a supportive community. Conclusion. In conclusion, the power of letting go transcends conventional notions of wealth generation. By releasing emotional attachments, embracing risk and innovation, diversifying portfolios, fostering a growth mindset, and focusing on value creation, individuals can unlock new pathways to prosperity. Letting go is not about relinquishing control, but rather about freeing oneself from constraints, enabling greater adaptability, creativity, and resilience in the pursuit of long-term wealth generation. That's all we have for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments down below, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.